This is Mr. Know It All here. Tonight we're going to cover a coin called Dividend Cash. Now they are not listed on Masternodes.online. I repeat, they are not listed on Masternodes.online probably till tomorrow. It's been confirmed that they will be listed there. So this is basically a pre-release of the coin. And I think this coin right now is trading around 1,652 sats. It's down 28% on the day. The whole cryptocurrency market is down today. Let's check out their Bitcoin talk thread. They have a junior member here that gets a check mark. They have about 10 pages of content already in their Bitcoin talk thread. Now for a new coin, that's a lot of activity. This is about a month old, not even 3 weeks old coin, just started. Let's check out their block explorer here. They have under 25% in their top 25 wallets. So that gets a check mark. I think the volume today was right around a half of Bitcoin, which is maybe around $3,000 or $4,000. This coin just got listed, so I think it's really early to get into something. Even at this stage of the game, it's early to get into before it gets listed onto Masternodes online. So not a lot of people know about this coin yet, guys. I can't stress that enough. This is not financial advice, but you can get a Masternode right now for around 0.02 Bitcoin and roughly return 130 coins a day. That is what the dev had told me just now. Obviously, as more nodes come on, that will diminish. But still, you're still going to get around 10% a day on your coins. That's pretty good. And so the use case for this coin, from what I read, is a dividend. Hence the coin name Dividend Cash. So they have a structure of how they're going to shell this dividend out. You can read all that in their white paper. I recommend doing so. Their Discord, their Discord obviously is very active. They are putting out something every day. Here you go. They will be listed on Masternodes. This is yesterday's news. They'll be listed on Masternodes and online very shortly. They're on CryptoBridge already. Got KYD approved, which is a coin Know Your Developer, and I actually have not reviewed that coin. I think that's a great coin and a great project. So they have approved them, which means that they are accredited within the community, and so that's another good thing to check for. And on Mr. Know It All scale, we're going to give this coin an 8 out of 10. I think they have a great use case for their coin. They're going to be using the coin to pay out dividend, which is another benefit for the holder. They also are a shared Masternode hosting platform and a shared staking hosting platform where you can, instead of running Masternodes, you can also, in this case, you're running staking wallets. And they have a nice affiliate program here. Definitely check these guys out. I think that they are going to be a great project. That's all I have for you guys tonight. Thanks for choosing Mr. Know It All. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and join my Facebook channel. Thanks.